Howdy folks, Troy with Vtwins the V8s coming on to do a quick unboxing and review. What I have behind me is the 64 Imperial Project, which I've been working on for some time, done many videos on it. So what I have been waiting and anticipating like crazy is the dash panel for this. So I've got the whole structure of the dash and everything in the car, and I'll show you with the camera what it looks like. But I've been waiting for the instrument cluster, and I sent it out to a company called Instrument Specialties. They're known for their workmanship on doing these dashes. And I've never had a dash done by them before, but we're going to check it out and see what it looks like. So let's get at it. So here's our 64 Imperial. You can kind of get a gander of what it's looking like, and this is my dashboard. It's looking really good. I don't have this piece right here, so that piece is supposed to be in this box from Mike Mancini from Instrument Specialties. So let's get a razor blade, we'll open up this box and see what it looks like. Okay, so here we go. Not sure exactly how this is packaged in here. Just kind of going by the way it's taped. There's a lot of stuff in here. A love letter. Nice invoice. Looks like it's going to be the old box in a box. What's in this box? Oh, this is nice. We have the bezels for the gauges and the shifter. We got those. All right, now let's see what this dashboard looks like. That is the only thing that can fit in this box. This thing is big and it's heavy. Here we go. Gotta give these guys a name for packaging. This is crazy. Oh yeah, that looks, as Austin Powers would say, dead sexy. Wow, that looks fantastic. Okay, so as you can see, I mean, this dash is just done beautifully. So I am going to get to work on installing this in the car, getting it powered up. Then I'll come back on and I'll do a video of it functioning in the car. Don't really know exactly when that will be happening, but I'll weave it into the schedule between some other things we have going on. So I'm Troy Kane. I'm with Vtwins, the V8s.com. Thank you very much, and good luck on your project.